हरि निष्कुट वृंदा विपिन से हरि निष्कुट वृंदा विपिन से ललिता सखी गुणरमिता विशाखे
ललिता सखी गुणरमिता विशाखे
करुणां कुरु मयि करुणा भरिते
करुणां कुरु मयि करुणा भरिते
सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते
सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
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 गोकुल तारुणी वर्ध गोकुल तारुणी मंडल मोहिते
गोकुल तारुणी मंडल मोहिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
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 दामोदर राते वर्धन वैसे
दामोदर राते वर्धन वैसे
दामोदर राते वर्धन वैसे
दामोदर राते वर्धन वैसे
हरि निष्कुट वृंदा विपिन से राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
वृषभानुदादे नव शशि लेखे
विश्वभानुदारे नव शशि लेखे
वृषभानुदादे नव शशि लेखे
विश्वभानुदारे नव शशि लेखे
ललिता गुण ललिता सखी गुण रमिता विशाखे
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 राधे जय जय माधव दयिते करुणां कुरु मयि करुणा भरिते
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 सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते
सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते
सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते
सनक सनातन वर्णित चरिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
राधे जय जय माधव दयिते
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Jaya Radha Sama Sundar, Radha Sama Sundar Radhe.
Jaya Radha,
Jaya Radha Madhava, Radha Madhava Re Radhe. Jaya Radha Govinda, Radha Govinda Sri Radhe. Jaya Radha Gopinath, Radha Gopinath Sri Radhe. Jaya Radha Madan Mohan, Radha Madan Mohan Sri Radhe. Jaya Radha Ramana, Radha Ramana Sri Radhe. Jaya Radha Ramana, Radha Ramana Sri Radhe. Jaya Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Radhe, Jaya Sri Radhe. जय श्री श्री राधाष्टमी महामहोत्सव की, श्री श्री राधाष्टमी महामहोत्सव की, श्री श्री राधाष्टमी महामहोत्सव की। गौर प्रमानंदे हरि हरि। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
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 नारायणं नमस्कृत्य
नरं
चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरये। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्ठिकी। श्रीमद् भागवतम कैंटो 10 chapter 31 Text 9. तव कथामृतं तप्तजीवनम्
कथामृतं तप्तजीवनम्
कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहम्
कविभिरीडितं कल्मषापहम्
श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततम्
श्रवणमङ्गलं श्रीमदाततम्
भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना भुवि गृह्णन्ति ते भूरिदा जना तवा यो kathamritam, the nectar of words, tapta jivanam, life for those aggrieved in the material world, kabibhi, by great thinkers, iditam, described, kalmasapaham, that which drives away sinful reactions, Sravana Mangalam, giving spiritual benefit when heard, Srimat, filled with spiritual power, Atatam, broadcast all over the world, Bhuvi, in the material world, Grunanti, chant and spread, Ye, those who, Burida, most beneficent, Janaha, persons. Translation and purport by disciples of His Divine Grace, Srila Prabhupada. The nectar of your words and the description of your activities are the life and soul of those suffering in this material world. These narrations transmitted by learned sages eradicate one's sinful reactions and bestow good fortune upon whoever hears them. These narrations are broadcast all over the world and are filled with spiritual power. Certainly, those who spread the message of Godhead are most beneficent. King Prataprudra recited this verse to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu during Lord Jagannath's Rath Yatra festival. While the Lord was resting in a garden, King Prataprudra humbly entered and began massaging his legs and lotus feet. Then the king recited the 31st chapter of the 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, the songs of the gopis. The Chaitanya Charitamrita relates that when Lord Chaitanya heard these words beginning Tava Kathamritam, he immediately arose in ecstatic love and embraced King Prataprudra. The incident is described in detail in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila 14.4-18, and in his edition, Srila Prabhupada has given extensive commentary on it. So bring Chaitanya Charitamrita, Madhya Lila, chapter 14. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gaurvani Pracharine निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। Dear devotees, today is a very auspicious occasion of appearance of Srimati Radharani. As you know, Radha and Krishna, they are non-different, one, and we are very fortunate to be born almost in the same era in which Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. Because if you look at the history of even this kalpa, this day of Brahma, which is 4.3 billion years, and in the duration of 4.3 billion years, 500 years is nothing, is just a small number. 500 by 4.3 billion. Can somebody find out what is the fraction? 4.3 billion. 430 crore. So 500 years by 430 crore will be 10 to the power minus 5 or 6. How much? 10 to the power minus 5. Yeah. Then how much time it is taking?
1.16 into 10 to the minus 7. 1.16 10 to the minus 7.
Minus 7. So you can't tell that. So 10 to the minus 7. So 10 to the minus 5 is bigger. 10 to the minus 7. So thus that is nothing actually. 10 to the power 6 is 1 lakh. 10 to the power 7 is 1 lakh. So 10 to the power 7 is 1 crore. So that's 1 upon 1 croreth fraction. So I think you have made some mistake. 430. 500, 430 is approximately 1. Yeah. So 10 to the power 7. Yeah, minus 7. Simple calculation. But you see that's how it is. So on a scale of 1, it's almost negligible. And Mahaprabhu is the combined incarnation, not combined incarnation, is combined form, not incarnation, combined form of Sri Radha and Krishna. And today we are reading a verse that is very, very dear to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and hence must be dear to Srimati Radharani. So this is 14.4 onwards. While Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu resting in ecstatic love, where Jagannatha Vallabha garden, Jagannatha Vallabha what is in Odia? Jagannath Vallabha Bagicha. बगीचा, okay. Anyway, Jagannath Vallabha flower garden. So that is the place where Mahaprabhu, actually this place now have been converted to a parking place. Shocking. What government sometimes does. Such a famous historical place has been converted into a parking place. The place, of course, there is a mutt there where Mahaprabhu lied down. Mutt is there. But then the entire place is parking place. So after dancing in ecstasy in front of Lord Jagannath, Mahaprabhu retired for some time to take rest to this Jagannath Vallabha garden, and that is the time when Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya and others, they inspired Prataparudra. This is the time when you can go and embrace or massage the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Following Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's instructions, the king had given off his royal dress. It is very tough for a king to give up the royal dress, but he has given. And he now entered the garden in the dress of a Vaishnava. Dhoti, kurta, tilak. Maharaja Prataparudra was so humble that with folded hands he first took permission from all the devotees. Please give your blessings. Give me a little adhikara that I can go actually. Then with great courage he fell down and touched the lotus feet of the Lord. What a fortune, what a fortune, what a fortune. Touched the lotus feet of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. As Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu lay on the raised platform with his eyes closed in ecstatic love and emotion, the king very expertly began to massage his legs. Because the king must be an expert massage person, because every day, whenever he would come from Cuttack to Jagannath Puri, he would massage the lotus feet of Kasi Mishra, his spiritual master. So he must be very expert in massaging the lotus feet, and now he is getting, of course, Mahaprabhu's lotus feet must be softer than anything soft that you can possibly imagine. It is the softest. In fact, it is very, very, anybody who would try to, this is a divine experience. Let's not extend this discussion in a mundane platform. As the king began to recite the verses about the Rasa Lila from Srimad Bhagavatam, he recited the chapter beginning with the words Jayati Dedhikam. So this is the, so here it is. Yes, Gopya Uchuho Jayati Tadikam Janmana Braja Srayata Indira Saswadatrahi Daita Drishyatam Dikshu Tabakas Tvaidruta Savas Twambi Chinvate. So this is the verse. O beloved, your birth in the land of Braj has made it exceedingly glorious. Thus Indira, the goddess of fortune, always resided here. It is only for your sake that we, your devoted servants, maintain our lives. We have been searching everywhere for you. So please show yourself to us. So this is the mood of Srimati Radharani, that I am not qualified to meet Krishna. So hence, kindly reveal yourself to us. We cannot approach you, but you can reveal to us. This is the mood of Srimati Radharani and his associates. When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard these verses, he was pleased beyond limits. He said again and again, go on reciting, go on reciting. So this is what pleases. What is the most magnificent work? What is the most benevolent work? What is the most welfare work? This is the last question in our Bhagavad Gita online course. So the most beneficial work must please Krishna the most. Okay. So now, because Mahaprabhu is liking this, so let us read this. Saradodadasya sadhu jatasa sarasi jodara sri musadrusa suratanatha te sulkadasika barada nignato neha kim badha. O Lord of love, in beauty, your glance excels the wholes of the finest, most perfectly formed lotus within the atom pond. Just see the lotus in the altar. It is very soothing. You see the lotus, it is always very soothing. O bestower of benedictions, you are killing the maidservants who have given themselves to you freely without any price. Isn't this murder? So, Krishna's glance is like cooling moonshine, very soothing like a lotus. When a lotus blooms in our pond here, in the front and the back, I don't know how many of you have experienced, but there is a feeling of happiness within naturally. And I don't feel like taking them out. And that's why it is said, most perfectly formed lotus within the autumn pond. It doesn't say that bring it. Let that pond be filled with such lotuses. And looking at that lotus, you feel the glance of Krishna's charming smile. Visajalapyayad vyala rakshasa varsamarutad vaidyutanala virusamayatma Vishwata bhaya rusavate vayam rakshita moho. O greatest personalities, you have repeatedly saved us from all kinds of dangers, from poisoned water that was done by Kaliya, from the terrible man-eater, Agha, from the great rains, Indra's Samvartaka, from the wind demon Trunavarta, from the fiery thunderbolt of Indra, from the bold demon Aristasura, and from the son of Maya Danava. So, Radharani and her friends are remembering how Krishna is the only protector of everyone, all of us, from all evil eyes. Nakhalu gopika nandana bhavan akhila dehina antaratma dhruv vikhana sarthito vishwaguptaye sakhau deva satvatam kule. You are not actually the son of Gopi, Yashoda, O friend, but rather the indwelling witness in the hearts of all embodied souls. Because Lord Brahma prayed for you to come and protect the universe, you have now appeared in the Satvata dynasty. Now Gopis, headed by Radharani, they approached Krishna as his girlfriend. But when they saw actually Krishna is not pleased by their service as girlfriends, so they thought now they should become Munis, Tattvavit, and started giving the ontology of Krishna. Oh Krishna, you are not really Yashodanandana. You are the all-pervading super soul. You are within my heart. You are in everyone's heart. And it is by your causeless mercy you have appeared in Vrishni dynasty and the Yadu dynasty. But actually, this kind of analysis is inferior to the analysis that Krishna is in fact Yashoda Nandana, Nanda Nandana, Gopi Natha. These are more substantial and divine and complete description of Krishna than the description the Gopis are giving. Virachita bhayam brusni dhuryate charanam yusam samsruter vaya karasararuham kanta kamadam shirasi dehina Sri Karagraham. Dear devotees, O best of the Vrishnis, your lotus-like hand, which holds the hands of the goddess of fortune, grants fearlessness to those who approach your feet out of fear of material existence. O lover, please place that wish-fulfilling lotus hand on our head. Krishna's lotus hand, if would touch our head, if his lotus feet touches our head, there cannot be any bigger benediction. Braja janartiha virayosita nija jana smaya damsana smita bhaja sakhe bhavat kinkarismano jalaruhananam charudarsaye. O you who destroy the suffering of Braja's people, O hero of all women, your smile shatters the false pride of your devotees. Please, dear friend, accept us as your maid servant and show us your beautiful lotus face. We understand because of our pride, you have deserted us. But your smile can shatter anyone's pride. We seek your shelter, and hence we deserve your charming smile that would vanquish all our pride, and we will be in a proper mood to render service unto you. Pranatadehinam papakarsanam trunacharanugam sriniketanam panipanarpitam te padambujam krunukuche suna krundihruchayam. Your lotus feet destroy the past sins of all embodied souls who surrender to them. Those feet follow after the cows in the pastures and are the eternal abode of goddess of fortune. Since you once put those feet on the hoods of great serpent Kalia, please place them upon our breast and tear away the lust in our hearts. Krishna's lotus feet, very soft, extremely soft, and anybody who is fortunate to get the dust of Krishna's lotus feet, all his sins will be eradicated instantaneously. And Radharani and her friends are praying that you have bestowed that lotus feet, grace of that lotus feet on that very fortunate heads of Kaliya. Are we so unfortunate? We didn't poison Yamuna water. We have not done anything that would displease you. Why are you so unkind to us? Please grant us our request. Madhuraya gira valgovakyaya buddha manojaya puskare chana vidhikaririma viramohyati adarasiddhuna pyayayasvana. O lotus-eyed one, your sweet voice and charming words, which attracts the minds of the intelligent, are bewildering us more and more. Our dear hero, please revive your maid servants with the nectar of your lips. Dear devotees, as we are singing these beautiful songs, just situate yourself in that Jagannath Vallabh flower garden, where Mahaprabhu, who is not different from both Krishna and Srimati Radharani, is lying. And the great and fortunate king Prataprudra is massaging the softest lotus feet of the Lord and singing these songs with possibly most melodious and devotional chants. Tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam kavividitam kalmasapaham Shravanamangalam Srimadattatam Bhuli Grunanti Te Gorida Jana. प्रहसितं प्रिया प्रेमवीक्षणं विहरणं च ते ध्यानमङ्गलम् रहसि संविदोय बोधिस्पृशा कुहकनो मना शवयन्ति. Your smiles, your sweet loving glances, the intimate pastimes and confidential talks are enjoyed. Talks we enjoyed with you. All these are auspicious to meditate upon. They touch our hearts, but at the same time, O deceiver, they very much agitate our minds. Srimati Radharani and the gopis, her associates, Lalita, Visakha, Champakalata, Indulekha, Sudevi, all these wonderful associates of Srimati Radharani, they are missing Krishna. Dearmost to their heart is Krishna. Missing him, they are remembering his reciprocation. He might have kidded with each one of them in different way. He might have given some wonderful, pleasant gifts to one or another in his most elegant style. He might have conversed with them on varieties of topics. How to make a perfect garland, how to make nice sringara, how to play nice flute, how to play nice veena. And literally all of the 64 transcendental arts, Lord Krishna must have discussed with them. After all, each one of them is an expert, at least in one of these 64 arts. So they are remembering as they are learning. Sometimes they learn, sometimes they also teach Krishna. Chalasi yad brajat charayan pasun nalina sundaram natate padam sila trunankurai sidati tina kalilatam mana kantagachati. Dear Master, dear lover, when you leave the cowherd village to herd the cows, our minds are disturbed with the thought that your feet, more beautiful than a lotus, will be pricked by the spiked husk of grain and the rough grass and plants. Of course, brass, everything in brass is intoxicated with Krishna prema. Certainly, none in brass would give any problem or any torture to Krishna's lotus feet. But then the gopis, they are fearing the pointed grass may prick his feet. The stones, the sharp stones may hurt his feet. And they are remembering the varieties of other possibilities by which Krishna's feet may be hurt. So Krishna's slightest possible unhappiness is felt by Srimati Radharani and her gopi friends. As I have told you, in 27 years of my journey in Krishna consciousness, I have never felt Krishna is feeling hungry. And here, they are able to feel their feet would be pricked by serpent grass or serpent stone or serpent sand particles. Dina parikshaye nila kuntalaye vanaruhananam bibradabrutam ghanarajaswalam darsayan moho manasina smaram viraichase. At the end of the day, you repeatedly swash your lotus face, covered with the dark blue locks of hair and thickly powdered with dust. Thus, O hero, you arouse lusty desires in your minds. Pranata kamadam padmajarchitam dharani mandanam deyamapadi charana pankajam santamam chate ramananastatne arpayadihan. Your lotus feet, which are worshipped by Lord Brahma, fulfill the desires of all who bow down to them. They are the ornament of the earth. They give the highest satisfaction. In times of danger, they are the appropriate object of meditation. O lover, O destroyer of anxiety, please put those lotus feet upon our breast. Krishna's lotus feet is worshipped by everyone. Why? In Brahma Samhita, we understand Krishna's every limb can perform the action of all other limbs. So Krishna's lotus feet is complete, absolutely complete. This is inconceivable. In fact, trillions of universes, both spiritual and material, they have taken shelter of Krishna's lotus feet. All the Paramahamsas, they have taken shelter of the lotus feet of Krishna. There is no one who, if he has certain amount of sanity, has not surrendered to Krishna's lotus feet yet. Everyone. And gopis desire that lotus feet to place on their chest. Suratavardhanam Sokanasanam Sorita Venuna Sustu Chumbitam Itara Ragavis Smaranam Nruna Vitara Virana Tedaramrutam. O hero, kindly distribute to us the nectar of your lips. Unfortunately, the flute is constantly drinking that nectar and we are missing it, which enhances conjugal pleasure and vanquishes grief. That nectar is thoroughly relished by your vibrating flute and makes people forget any other attachment. Atati yad bhavan annikananam truti yugayate tvam apasyata kutila kuntalam Srimukham chate jada udishyata paksma prudrusha. When you go off to the forest during the day, a tiny fraction of a second becomes like a millennium for us because we cannot see you. And even when we can eagerly look upon your beautiful face, so lovely with its adornment of curly locks, our pleasure is hindered by other eyelids, which were fashioned by the foolish creator, Brahmaji. So, a moment of absence makes us feel a yuga, millennium, 4.3 million years. And you go to the forest almost like 8 hours a day. And that is like thousands of yugas we have to wait. That means almost like 4.6 billion years we have to wait to again to be able to see your lotus face. Not only that, whenever you become visible to us, Brahmaji has given us eyebrows, eyelids, and that eyelids also is natural. And that eyelid also takes, that momentary period also is taken away by the eyelids. So what a useless design of Brahmaji in the matter of designing this human body. Pati sutanaya Vratruvandava ati vilangyate Ntiyachyutagata gati vidastavod gita mohita kitavayosita kastajenisi. Dear Achita, you know very well why we have come here. Who but a cheater like you would abandon young women who come to see him in the middle of the night, enchanted by the loud song of his flute? Just to see you, we have completely rejected our husbands, children, ancestors, brothers, and other relatives. So gopis are saying, we have done a great amount of sacrifice to come here in the middle of the night with the purpose of giving joy to you. But now we are crestfallen. You have deserted us. Rahasi sambetam uruchayadayam rahasitananam prema vikshanam Ruhadaurasriya Vikhyadhamate Murati Spruha Mohyate Manaha. Our minds are repeatedly bewildered as we think of the intimate conversations we had with you in secret. Feel the rise of lust in our heart. Remember your smiling face, your loving glances, your broad chest, the resting place of goddess of fortune. Thus we experience the most severe hankering for you. The gopis are again and talking about their lust for Krishna, but this is not lust. This is love in its highest manifestation. Otherwise, Sukadeva Goswami, who is Brahmabhuta Prasannatma, would never sing or narrate this topic about Krishna. Brajavana Osam Vyaktirangate Brujina Hantryalam Vishwamangalam Tyajamanakchana Tvatspruhatpana Swajana Rudrujam Yannisudana. O beloved, your all auspicious appearance vanquishes the distress of those living in Braj forest. Our minds long for your association. Please give to us just a bit of that medicine which counteracts the disease in your devotee's heart. Association of Krishna. How do we associate with Krishna? By hearing from his devotees. There is no way a conditioned soul can associate with Krishna. A conditioned soul can associate Krishna. Right. रुको So, we need medicine of Krishna's association. We get Krishna's association from Bhagavad Gita. We get Krishna's association from Srimad Bhagavatam. We get Krishna's association from Chaitanya Charitamrita. We get Krishna's association by rendering service along with other devotees. We get Krishna's association by preaching the glories of Krishna, making the arrangement of preaching programs. We get association of Krishna. Well, how this to recite the last one? Yatte sujata charanam buruham stanesu vita sanai priyadandi mahi karkasesu tena tavim atasi tadvyatate nakim svet kurpadivir brahmati dhir bhavad ayusam naha. O dearly beloved, your lotus feet are so soft that we place them gently on our breasts, fearing that your feet will be hurt. Our life rests only in you. Our minds therefore are filled with anxiety that your tender feet might be wounded by the pebbles as you roam about on the forest path. My dear devotees, this is very pleasing to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is why we read how gopis were feeling about Krishna as they missed Krishna. These gopis were headed by Srimati Radharani, and we heard the mood of Radharani. Now let us, this is already 10:47. I think we should stop here. We have many rounds to chant also. So I hope you enjoyed this narration of, we will continue this in the evening, the narration. That which is pleasing Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu most should be our devotional activity. We should always think what pleases Mahaprabhu the most. And if we know this is what pleases Mahaprabhu most, then we should be very happy, very clear that this is what we must do. Jai Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Srimad Chaitanya Charitamrita ki, Sri Sri Lakshmi Nrsimhadev Bhagwan ki, Srila Giriraj Krishna ki, Sri Sri Radha Raman Ji ki, श्री श्री राधाष्टमी महामहोत्सव के, श्री श्री राधाष्टमी महामहोत्सव की, श्री श्री राधाष्टमी महामहोत्सव की, गौर प्रमानंदे हरि हरि बोल. Thank you, dear devotees, for attending this program, and I thank all of you for this. Hare Krishna. And please join me in the evening program.